The immediate story that it told us right after we had made it go live was that we were already breaking down the walls between our domains in terms of communication, which was a huge success for us. I mean, what's cool, I guess what's neat about the chord diagram is that it can tell a set of simple stories, even though it's based on a complex set of data. So like, as James was describing earlier, right, there's many entities and the connections between them. Those connections can have a magnitude and a direction. And in our case, those entities are our domain. And the questions are, and the connections are the Q&A exchange, how many questions, and then the direction of that answer. And that's obvious just by looking at it, because it's a web of connections going from the various quadrants.
Had you used the chord diagram before this?
I had not used the chord diagram. I have not. This was the first. Okay, another story that it told us some of our strengths. Some of our domains focus on enabling other domains, like our cloud domain. Immediately, there was a lot of answers coming from that domain, and that's easy to see. It has a wide segment, a lot of connections going to various other domains. And that's what we'd like to see. On top of that, though, it also shows us some opportunities. And those are areas that we're actively working with, trying to raise engagement with Stack Overflow. So it kind of tells a lot of stories in one visual.
It does.